Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. Snell back to you on Friday morning. I make my videos a day early, so this is Thursday. It's a beautiful day. If we get another good day like this, I suggest you guys get outside and do some hiking. There are some really nice places that are public places, should be open for everybody to go. All right, boys and girls, I hope you have a good weekend. Get that workout in, and we'll see you soon. Boys and girls, this hike that I'm on is about 2¼ miles long. Should take us 45 minutes to an hour. Anytime you get out, get some exercise, always try to go for about an hour and keep that heart rate up. All right, I'm gonna keep showing you a few videos of this trail. I'll check back in a little bit. Remember, boys and girls, during this time that we're off school, we are supposed to be keeping ourselves away from other people. I am out here today with my wife, Mrs. Snell, but I live with her. So go with your family, go with the people that you live with when you go out and do something in the woods, when you go out for a hike or when you go exercise somewhere. But boys and girls, this sunshine, this fresh air, it's really good for us. All right, boys and girls, hope you enjoyed your hike today. Weather is beautiful. Get outside and get some exercise, and don't forget, stay active, stay fit. See you next time.